everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is going to be part 2 of my Christmas clean and decorate with me. And again, this video turned out really well. I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with how the whole kitchen turned out. So without further ado, let's get on in to this Christmas clean with me part 2.
Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers.
Alright, so I'm going to start by cleaning the kitchen first of all before I go and put up any new decorations. I had a few little bits that I wanted to do, so I want to wipe down all the counters, I wanted to clean the sink, and I also wanted to wipe down the oven as well, just to make sure that everything was nice and clean before I put all my decorations up. I also went ahead and wiped over the window and the windowsill as well to make sure that was all nice and clean for the new decorations.
We all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down and follow across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year.
Alright, so moving on to decorating, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my flower arrangement. I'm going to add in some new flowers to this just to make it look a little bit more Christmassy. So I found these in Wilkinson's. If you're wondering where any of my Christmas decor is from, I have also done a haul on everything that I've bought. So if you want to check out that video, I will leave it linked down below. But I've just bought these gorgeous little flowers. They're a set of 3 all stuck together, and I think they were only £1.50. And I also got these frosted berries as well, and they were only £1, and this just made the whole arrangement look really Christmassy and really nice and bright as well.
My winter wonderland.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year,
So I also went ahead and decorated my little green plants as well. So I added a couple of baubles onto the actual tray itself, and then I went ahead and cut some of my beads. They were actually meant for the Christmas tree, but we didn't end up using them this year. So I went ahead and cut a little bit of the beads off for each of the plants, and I went ahead and wrapped it around them so it just looked a little bit more Christmassy, and it actually ended up looking really nice, and I was really happy with it. And I also draped some out of the vase itself holding the flowers, which kind of tied it all together as well.
the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
Then on to the windowsills. The first thing that I wanted to do was give this a good wipe down and a clean. I don't do this often enough. I really should do it more often than what I do, but I don't, unfortunately. But I'm going to try and keep on top of it now. But I went ahead and wiped the windowsill itself, and then I also went and quickly wiped the windows down, and then I went ahead and started decorating.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Moving on to the kitchen table, so I went ahead and took everything off here that was already on there, and I went ahead and gave it a quick wipe down before I started to decorate it.
Just like that, if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words.
Now to decorate the table, I was not sure what I wanted to do with the table. I knew I wanted to put these mats that I bought on the table, but I didn't know what decorative pieces I wanted on here, and you will see very shortly that I put a vase on here with some fake flowers in, which I absolutely love, and it looked so pretty on the table. But I ended up adding some like beads, the same beads that I put around all the fake plants, and it just looked terrible. I really didn't like it, so I ended up taking it off and just leaving the coasters and the flower arrangement on there. I think it was really nice and really simple, but really effective.
And just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I
And that's the whole kitchen decorated for Christmas. I am so in love with how this turned out. I'm so happy with the flower arrangement. That's definitely my favourite thing in here. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of your support. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
It means so much more than words can say, and I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.